So I just showed you how to, or reminded you how to construct the copy of an angle using straight edge and a compass. Let's remind ourselves how those tools work on GeoGebra so you can follow through with the constructions for chapter 3, hopefully. So when you open up, first of all, we don't want to see these axes. And the first thing we need to do is to make an angle. So I want to make 2 rays. So there's that, and then I'll make another one. I'm still on the ray, so A, and then maybe come out here like this. So now I have an angle BAC, and I don't like those little labels, so I think I can. Object properties. I'm going to close this actually. It's easier to do it this way. So if I shift on both these and I right click, I can get rid of the labels. So here's angle BAC, and I want to construct a copy of that angle. So if you recall, I start by making a new ray. And then the first thing I need to do is remember how I marked that circle somewhere here? So let's make a point somewhere right there. AF. So I'm going to create a circle of size AF. So I'm actually going to come up here and get my compass tool. And notice it says select segment, or 2 points for radius, then the center point. So I'm going to use 2 points for the radius, AF, and then in this case my center point will be A. So there's my 2 points for the radius, and then my center point is A. Beautiful. So I'm going to do this again, but in this case, again, I want my my radius to be AF, but I want my center to be D. So there's that circle, there's this circle. So now I want to measure this distance, F, to this point here. So I want to create that point. When both light up, you know you have the intersection. So that's G. So remember now I want to make a circle of radius FG. So I come back to my compass tool, and remember my radius is going to be FG, and in this case my center will be at F. So there's that. I want to create the same thing down here. Remember, AF would be the same distance as D, whatever that is. So I better make a point there. And I want to recreate this circle at point H. So again, I come back to my compass tool, set my radius, put it down here at H, and then this intersection right here should be basically the same as that intersection right there. So I want to make a point there, and then draw my ray from D to I. Beautiful. So now I could even put a point way out here just so you can all see what's going on. So now circle angle BAC should be congruent to angle JDE. So how can I check that? Well, I can come up here to my angle tool, and you have to do it in the right order. I think I need to go CAB, and I get 25.44. Now if I go EDJ, I get 25.44. Then I could come into my text box and say that angle, I forget where all these things are, down here. Anyway, I'm just going to type it for angle BAC is congruent to, you guys should find the symbols, angle, I think it was JDE. Okay. So a reminder of how you use the compass tool, how you create equal segments, things like that. hopefully that helps.